Hi everyone, welcome to Wisdom Era online classes. The today class we learn about the least common multiple. So that is LCM. What is the common multiple? So as you already know that to common multiple, when two or more numbers have the same numbers as their multiples, those multiples are said to be a common multiples, right? So here what is the least common multiple? If two or more numbers is the smallest or very least common multiple of the given numbers, which is divisible by each of the number, is called as a least common multiple. So which is the least and the common in the numbers? Find the least common multiple of 5 and 10. So the common method, this is the common method to find the LCM of 5 and 10. So what is the common method is, the step 1 is the least multiple of the given numbers. So least of the multiples, it means that how many of multiples in the one number, as you know that you can find the infinite number of the multiples from the number. The multiples of 5 are 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. Multiples of 10, the multiples of 10 are 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80 and so on. In these multiples of 5 and 10, which are the common multiples? So just you find out here which are the common multiples. The common multiples of 5 and 10 are, so 10 is common, 20 is common and 30 is common and 40 is common, and the multiples it will continue up to infinity. The here in this common multiple, which is very least, which is very smallest multiple. So 10 is the very smallest multiple, that is we are considering as LCM, that is the smallest number of the common multiples. This is the common method, you can find out the LCM. So I will take another one example here. Find the LCM of 6, 8 and 12 here. So which are the multiples of 6 and multiples of 8 and multiples of 12? You just write it. So 6, the multiples of 6 are 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60 and so on. The multiples of 8 are 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80. The next multiples of 12 are, so multiples of 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84, 96 and 108. 120. These are all or multiples of 6, 8 and 12. In these multiples, which are the multiples are common in 6, 8 and 12? There are many of the multiples are common. In those multiples, the 24 is common multiple, 48 is common multiple. In this 24 and 48, which is the smallest multiple? The 24 is smallest multiple, that is only the least or small common multiple. So LCM of the 6, 8, 12 is 24. 0, why not 0 is not a multiple? We do not consider 0 when we have to find the LCM, as otherwise the LCM of all the number would always be a 0. Okay, this is a common method, you can find the LCM. So I will go with another one method, that is LCM by the prime factorization method. What is this prime factorization? In the previous class you have learnt about the prime factorization. In the prime factorization, you have to use the prime numbers for the factorizing the numbers. So find the LCM of 25. and 50 and 30. So before going to that, we have to know about the prime factorization of 25, 15 and 30. Okay. So 25, the prime factorization of 25 is 5 into 5. The prime factorization of 15 is 3 into 5. The prime factorization of 30 is 2 into 3 into 5. Here, circle the common prime factors. Here, in these three numbers have the common factor, that is 5, 5 and 5. In all the three have the 5. Next, underline the remaining common factors of any two numbers. So 15 and 30 have the common prime factor, that is 3 and 3. I underlined it. So next, remaining factors is here. Which are the remaining factors? 5 and 2 here. List the uncommon prime factors which is not common, that is uncommon prime factor 5 and 2. Now you have to find the product. The product of common prime factor of all the numbers. So all the three numbers have a common factor, that is 5. And the product of remaining common factor. So remaining have the common 3. Next, the product of uncommon factors. Uncommon which is not common in 3. All the three numbers. So the common is 5 and the next common in two numbers 3 and next is uncommon factor 2 into 5. Next, find the LCM of 25, 15 and 30. So now write the factorization. Right? So now what is the factorization for 25, 15 and 30? This is the find the LCM by division method. Okay. So divide the number by the smallest prime number. Here also you have to divide by the prime numbers only. The 25, 15 and 30. So which is the smallest prime number is, you have to start from the smallest prime number. So 2 it is smallest prime number here. The 25 it is not divisible. So write 25 as it is. Then 15 also not divisible as it is. The next 30 it can divisible. Then 2 into 15 is 30. What is the note is, any number that is not divisible by prime factor, so you brought down as it is, to write as it is. If the given number it is not divisible by the any prime numbers, so write the number as it is. So I have written here 25 as it is and 15 as it is. Then 25, 15 and 15. So you have to continue the dividing quotients by the least common factor till you get the 1 as a quotient for all the numbers. Up to you get the quotient as a 1, you have to continue your division process. Okay. So 15 it is divisible by 3, 25 and 15. So you check it once. 3 into 5 is 15. 3 into 5 is 15. The 25 it is not exactly divisible by 3. So take 25 as it is. The next, take the 5. 5 is a prime number. 5 into 5 is 25. 5 into 1 is 5 and 5 into 1 is 5. So it is also divisible. The next, as we know that the note, any number that is not divisible by the prime factor, you take it as done. And another one, continue your dividing process until you get the 1 as a quotient. So you have to continue this process until you get the quotient as 1. So now we got the quotient as a 1, 1 and 1 here. So what is the prime factorization? for these all the numbers, the product of the prime factors of the numbers, it will gives the LCM here. So that is LCM is 2 into 3 into 5 into 5. What is the product is? The 5 into 5 is 25. 25 into 3 is 75. 75 into 2 is, what is 7? Next is, that is 150. That is, this is LCM by the common division method. So I will just take another one example. Find the LCM of 21 and 63 by division method. So by prime factorization you have to divide it. Okay, so take the smallest prime number here, the 21 and 63. Here any one number should be divisible by any of the prime number here, which is smallest prime number. So 2 into 7 is 21 and 2 into 21 is 63. Next 7 and 21. So 21 it is divisible by 3, right? So 7 it is not divisible by 3. Take the 7 as it is. Next 21, then 3 into 7 is 21, right? So now, so 7 into 7 ones are 7. What is a prime? The product of the prime numbers, 3 into 3 into 7. So 3 into 3 into 7 is the product. So now 3 3s are 9. 9 into 7. What is the answer for 9 into 7 is 63. Now LCM is 63. So just you remember some of the points. Any number that is not divisible by the prime factor is brought down as it is. This is one condition. It is not divisible by the any other prime numbers. You have to take it number as the same. If the two numbers do not have the common factor other than 1, their LCM is the product of the numbers, and the LCM of the two numbers of which one is multiple of the other is the larger number. This is